Ireland could face rolling blackouts and lockdowns for up to 6 months if our subsea gas infrastructure is attacked or damaged, secret government emergency plans reveal. Yvonne Murray reports that the Irish Independent has learned of confidential details of an emergency planning exercise held last December between major state agencies and the government. Fears over the vulnerability of Ireland's subsea infrastructure to Russian sabotage have recently grown substantially. This week alone, several vessels under international sanction entered the Irish exclusive economic zone. Ireland currently relies on 80% of its energy needs through the subsea gas interconnects, and 68% of that goes to power generation of electricity. Damage to the interconnecting pipeline from Scotland via the Isle of Man to Ireland could have a catastrophic impact on our economy and the provision of essential services. Backup generators for industries including pharma, food production and hospitals, prisons, universities and airports would require huge amounts of diesel, as would power stations. In recent years and up to present day, Russia has deployed a fleet of spy vessels in Irish-controlled waters. There have been situations where ships turn off their transmitters and attempt to hide their locations, loitered over critical undersea cables and launched a mini submarine in our waters. In one incident in November 2024, just weeks before the emergency planning exercise on December 3rd, a Russian naval vessel, Yantar, loitered directly above the gas interconnector, which is controlled by Gas Networks Ireland. In the aftermath, the government carried out inspection of the gas pipeline to ensure it had not been tampered with. The vessel has been involved in multiple subsea cable information gathering incidents and is believed to have returned to Irish waters in recent days. On the back of that incident and high-level briefings from the energy security experts, the government agreed to develop a state-led floating storage and regasification unit. An FSRU is a large vessel that can store liquefied natural gas and distribute it to the national grid. However, an industry source told the Irish Independent that in the event of damage to the gas pipelines, these reserves would only plug the gap in energy for a very short time period. For more on this and other stories, you can read the Irish Independent.